How to learn French faster for beginners. My name is Arvind and today I'll teach you the last step out of the 8 steps to learn French faster. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below and I will answer you. Step 8. Learn the mind memory techniques. Find some shortcuts to learn French faster. The shortcuts may be in the form of mnemonic techniques, cognates, or any other study skill tricks. The purpose is not only to learn French faster, but also to make your learning easier and funnier. In this step, we will learn about the English-French cognates. 45% of the words you find in the English dictionary have French origin, which means you already know thousands of French words. These words, which are similar in both English and French, are called as transparent words or cognates, and these words are super easy to learn because you know them already. Fruit, which is fruit, identical word, same word, easy to learn. Music, which is music, the same word, identical word, very easy to learn, you know them already. Machine, which is machine, easy to learn, easy to remember. Police, which is police, identical word, same word, the pronunciation is different, easy to learn. Plant, which is plant, very easy to learn, plant. Magic, which is magic, very easy to remember, very easy to learn. Bus, which is bus, very easy to learn, same word, identical word. Dance, which is dance, very easy to learn, identical word. Melon, which is melon, same word, identical word, very easy to learn. Elephant, which is elephant, same word, same spelling, very easy to learn. These are my 8 steps to help you learn French faster. Even if you miss one step out of these 8 steps, you may not learn French faster, or you may take a long time to learn. If you like these 8 steps, do comment, like and share. See you soon on my next video.